Hi guys, Winnie here. In this video we're going to draw a cute heart lollipop. So let's get started. With this heart lollipop, we're going to first start by drawing a heart. So I'm going to start right here in the center, the top center, and I'm going to basically be drawing a curve out. So that's the top, and then I'm going to go to the other side. So it's just easier to kind of gauge and make it a little bit more even on both sides. So then from there, I'm going to start to bring this down. And same thing over here. So then from there, I'm going to go straight down from my center, just come straight down and say about right here, about how long I want my heart to be. From there, it's just a little bit easier with this point to know where to go for my center. So I'm going to come in here and round it off. All the way down. And so when I come down here, I'm just going to round it off. I'm not going to give it a sharp point because it is a lollipop. So I'm just going to round off the corner right here. So then you kind of go in there and fix your heart if you need to. Okay, so there. So basically a very round heart. And from there, I'm going to come right here in the center and draw my stick. So I'm going to, in the center, as if I'm giving it a neck. I'm just going to draw a straight line down. And then from there, I'm just going to draw a curve, and it's going to be the start of my bow. And so right here, I'm going to add my center of the bow and pop it out a little bit and then connect it. And then from there, I'm just going to imagine this straight line going down. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line down. So same thing over here for my stick. And say about right there, I'm going to round it off and finish it off. So that is basically the heart lollipop right here. So then from there, I'm going to add the bow. So right here in the center of this center right here, the center right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and here I'm going to draw one loop that comes out. So this is a little bit fancier bow, and we're going to bring it in all the way back. And then come in right here, and we're just going to draw a loop to give this bow here some dimension. So let's do the same thing over here. Go right here, and we're going to once again pop out a curve, and then bring it in, and right back in right here, just like the other side. And once again, draw a curve. And so then from there, we can draw a top loop right here. So come in here and just draw a curve out and connect. So same thing over here. Out and back. So come in here for some details. So just draw a line to give it a center crease and the tail of this bow. So we're going to come in right here and just tuck in a tail. And back. So same thing over here. Come in here and out and back. So there, we got our fancy bow in for this heart lollipop. And now let's give it a highlight right here in this corner. So I'm just going to basically follow the outside of my heart, this curve, and I'm going to round it off for a highlight. So when you're coloring, just leave this part white. Okay, so now to bring it to life. So right in this area about right here, I'm going to add a big circle for draw a cute eye. So of course, if you don't want to add eyes, you don't have to. You can just draw a heart lollipop for someone that you love. So to make him draw cute eyes, let's add 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So I hope you guys are continuing to love all my Valentine's inspired drawings this year, and make sure to check out my Valentine's playlist for more Valentine's drawings I've done throughout the years. And shade this part in. Okay, and the lines at the bottom. So from there, let's come up here and we're just gonna add a little curve on top of the eye to anchor it. And of course, you have to give this cute lollipop here a nice sweet smile. So just a little curve and cap it off. And then you can add cheeks in there if you want when you're coloring. So there, a sweet heart lollipop for someone that you love. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.